It's so worth it.
What's up, YouTube? Yo! I can't even see my hand. Welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, video number 3, Stay Cheesed. We're gonna try a little more talking this video, not just straight white girl EDM. Yeah, for this video, we got a weekend up in Mammoth. On deck, we're doing boats, bikes, babes. I'm gonna practice not saying so much, yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna practice, and we'll see if we can convert to a more fuck. Made it up to Mammy. Beautiful day. Yo, is this one that's gonna be like slower?
Yeah. This thing, the one thing about it is it's a lot slower, but because of that, I kind of like have been able to like kind of almost wheelie a little better because like I can really
get the gas on.
Yeah.
And then get back on the gas because then it sounds like I'm like in a total wrong RPM. Just come back again and do that. Go from 5th to 4th right in front of me.
Yeah, never question your skills. Always blame the bike. Ross has to go all the way down to the fucking local shop and then come back before he
know,
comes.
he just turn around right here.
Do a wheelie. Do a wheelie.
I got money, ain't it changed. I got girls, they ain't strange. Not to mention, I don't do the tension. When I'm in your ends, I beat you the entrance. And I don't need no guest list when I pull up to the palace. Smoking every room, yeah, we smoking on the chalice. Red cup and we okay. Red cup and we located in the back room where they do things. Everybody know we okay, got a crew living. Gotta be kidding. All of these hundreds of millions, not one of these women's are smitten. All of the money, the feeling, they know that they gonna get it in a minute. But if they can't really cool out, it's always chillin'. Yeah, I feel younger. Told her come and meet me at the park. We could start something fun late after dark. Swimming in the water, girl, and there's a lot of sharks. Jump into my boat, yeah, I'll help you stay afloat. Yeah, I ain't had a smoke yet, no, I'm not joking. Roll up in your party, and you know I'm always loaded. Whole house like a club thing, whole house like a party though. If you got the camera out, it'll look like some Mardi Gras. Red cup and we okay, red cup and we located the back room where they do things. Whole click on them new things, nobody rocking with the mood swings. Nobody rocking with them rude things, yeah, I'ma have to let the two sing. What's it saying? Say no more. Say no more.
too.
No, but I saw that the Zin was the same thing, was only unflavored shit. Yeah. And then and they're like weird gray flavors. So I was like, damn, it must apply to this stuff too. Just Mammoth. Bishop doesn't give a fuck. Bishop can do whatever you want, yeah. Let's go pick up Ross. Let's go! Call some turning radius, boys.
Fucking agile F-150.
Oh my god.
What's the review?
Oh my god. Walk near it, you can smell everything. It's literally just a hole and just shit. It went back up into my chest. Horrible.
Yeah.
These are my favorite kind of poops.
You think we're gonna need a net for the massive hauls, dude? Where are the bleeding frogs at? Do you see Taz? Oh, Tasmanian. We're looking for Big Devil.
Where do you see the names?
I think it's the top left. Wait, was Tazzy Devil one of them? Bloody Ripper, dude. They're probably all sold out if they're on the board, eh? Oh, Bloody Ripper, let's go. $750 a head. Jesus Christ.
If I cancel it before they notice we stole it, like if I cancel it right now and we stole it 4 hours from now, that card would be gone. They would never have no way to look it up. You know what I mean?
Wait, they're not in possession of the debit card?
No. Oh. No. Yeah. We didn't even do a deposit for like incidentals. Yeah. We crashed this boat. Like, I don't know what the deal is.
This is a membership?
They're gonna put it out here and they're not letting anyone use it?
What's our strategy here, sir?
We're flicking early and we're flicking often.
You gotta get our reps in.
That's where most people get it fucked up, right?
They don't put it in the water.
Yeah.
They're trying to find the perfect spot when they're not getting the reps in.
Peep the kiwis in the sun. Nice bulge. That's the path?
I guess. That's where we pulled up with the Bishop local kids. Yeah, we just went muddy and then we went up and around.
Alright. Oh, you went up?
No, I'm taking a piss.
Oh.
It's so big.
Fucking rattlesnake country. Ooh, there's a path. So we got the boys down there doing some recon on the bass, maybe some trout. Definitely not snapper.
You just gonna go from here?
This is not small. Yo, was it that? Was it this rock?
Was it that one?
I'd feel bad if I told you it was safe and then you broke your legs. God damn, bro. We should do the other one instead. I'm a little nervous about this one.
Let's go, Team Eek!